Every couple of generations, the US shakes things up big time. Neighborhoods boom, folks pack their bags, and old stories echo with a fresh twist. From 2020 to 2024, a subtle shift kicked off. Countless black families ditched the bustling hubs that shaped their music, vibes, and dreams. Many turned south for cheaper homes and brighter chances. Others simply craved rent that wouldn't swallow their whole wallet. The twist? This wasn't a drift to sleepy spots. Nope, think the giants. New York, Chicago, Los Angeles, places that once whispered, "Make it here," now scream sky-high bills, shaky safety, and tents lining the streets. Heartbreaking, right? Today, we're diving into the top 10 cities hit hardest, straight from the US Census drop in June 2025. Which one shocks you most? Drop it in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and stick around. The surprises start now. Number 10, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Picture this. Right after World War II, black families chased dreams northward, packing up from dusty fields in Mississippi and Arkansas. They flooded into booming factories, hearts full of hope for steady paychecks. It echoed the massive wartime rush. Thousands dashed west to California's shipyards or north to Detroit's assembly lines, Chicago's steel mills, and Milwaukee's humming plants. The South, it offered scraps back then, nothing to build a future on. Fast forward, and folks today gripe when Californians bolt for greener pastures. But hold on, didn't your own grandparents do just that? They fled the Great Depression's grip and war's chaos, trading cotton rows for survival in the Midwest and beyond. Jobs called, and they answered, filling those streets with laughter and grit. Yet here's the gut punch. Those same factories shuttered their doors. Cities like Milwaukee wrestled with deep divides, locked up dreams, and jobs that vanished like smoke. Unemployment clung like a shadow, refusing to lift. Now, from 2020 to 2024, the tide turns again. Families slip away to cozy suburbs or the sunny Sunbelt, drawn by fresh starts and milder chills that ease the soul. Milwaukee, it's felt the sting, down 2.3% in its black residents over those 4 tough years. Will the swing reverse one day? History whispers it just might. What echoes in your family's story? Share below. Number 9, Vallejo, California. Nestled in the foggy embrace of the San Francisco Bay, Vallejo whispers tales of faded glory. But lately, it's the sirens of scandal that echo loudest. Its police force tangled in endless probes, wild missteps, and headlines that sting like salt in a wound. Every news flash, another twist in the chaos. Flashback to the post-World War II boom. Black families streamed in, eyes lit with promise, snagging those steady Navy gigs that built dreams on solid ground. Diversity bloomed like wildflowers. Then, the ships sailed away, jobs vanished in the mist, and the bloom withered fast. Today, skyrocketing rents choke the air, brutal commutes drain the spirit, and bankruptcy lurks like a shadow at the door, fueled, folks whisper, by fat payouts for those cop blunders. The black middle class? They're slipping through the cracks, chasing solace in Sacramento's sprawl, Tracy's quiet lanes, or the sun-kissed South. Vallejo pulses with soul-stirring grit, yet paychecks gasp under the crush of costs. This town's always been for everyday heroes, the steady climbers. But the Bay's greed, it devours middles now, leaving echoes. Heartbreaker. From 2020 to 2024, Vallejo shed 3.3% of its black residents. Who's next? Tell me your thoughts below. Does this hit home? Number 8, Chicago. Tucked into this slice are Naperville and Elgin, heads up on that. For ages, Chicago lured dreamers during the Great Migration, turning Bronzeville into a buzzing heartbeat of black-owned shops and soulful vibes. Then shadows crept in, factories faded, money dried up, and violence spiked like a storm that never breaks. Even now, South Side streets and a handful of West Side corners pulse with that raw danger, a scar that won't heal. The flight rages on. Families scatter to leafy suburbs, sun-drenched South spots, or any haven that's kinder on the wallet and nerves. Twist of fate, the very South their kin escaped 7 decades back now calls them home. Grandkids circling back to roots twisted by time. Chicago dazzles in pockets, all gleaming lakeside magic. Venture south or west, though, and grit turns grim. Cracked facades, hidden heartaches. Yet prices bite everywhere, even in the roughest blocks, stealing breath from the bold. I caught a cop's raw tale once, a South Side kid himself. His childhood home meant as a quick fix from Depression days and wartime woes. He crashed there through the wild 80s and 90s, echoes of endurance. From 2020 to 2024, the bleed hit hard. Chicago waved goodbye to 3.3% of its black soul. Where's your family's trail led? Spill in the comments. Let's unpack this pull. Number 7, Los Angeles. Ever feel a city's grip on your soul? Los Angeles looms large, suburbs in every direction. Mine was Torrance and Redondo Beach, rich with Hispanic energy and Irish warmth. It sprang from 1920s to 30s strawberry fields, toiled by those groups to forge the community. Black presence? Light in our spot. But Long Beach, Compton, Wilmington, South Central? Black havens, bursting with legacy and life. Black Los Angeles defined West Coast flair, Watt's fierce spark, Crenshaw's lively pulse, Leimert Park's jazz magic. Epic. Yet here's the heartbreak. Gentrification surges, expenses soar wildly, displacing true locals. Families dash to Vegas sparkle, Phoenix sun, Texas vastness, where homes are attainable, not impossible. The weather, irresistible bliss. But it doesn't pay bills. Jobs disperse black neighborhoods. In Los Angeles, soaring costs doom blue-collar and middle-class futures. Hard fact, 2020 to 2024, 3.6% black loss. Eerie change. Hits home? Comment your story. Number 6. New York metro area. Picture the glittering skyline of New York, just a stone's throw across the Hudson to New Jersey, connected by bridges that carry dreams both ways. But lately, it's a tale of quiet goodbyes. This metro sprawl claims the crown for the heaviest heartbreak. Raw numbers of black folks waving farewell. Remember Harlem's jazz-filled nights, Brooklyn's block parties, Newark's unyielding spirit? They beat as the core of black life in America. Now, fancy lofts buzz with young finance whizzes, sipping lattes where legends once lingered. Blame the villains, rents climbing like skyscrapers, gentrification bulldozing history, and that pandemic push sending souls southward. Over 140,000 black New Yorkers slipped away in those frantic years. Their new homes, the welcoming arms of the Carolinas, Georgia's green fields, Florida's sunny shores. Heart-wrenching twist. These are the same lands their grandparents fled in chains of hardship. But hold on, this isn't a curtain call for black urban tales. It's a bold detour, a fresh chapter. The epic northward trek of the Great Migration, it's flipping script, heading sunward once more. Watch Atlanta hum with sharp black innovators, Houston swell with family fortresses, Charlotte glow with community fire. Stability calls, connections deepen, futures brighten. The truth stings simple. Spots that dangled golden chances now lock the gates with price tags too steep. Yet humanity's pull is unbreakable. Folks chase that spark of tomorrow, U-Haul loaded, skyline shrinking in the rear view, eyes fixed ahead. Raw data from the census. New York Metro shed between 3.6% and 6% of its black heart over 2020 to 2024. A silent storm. Does this echo your roots? Share in comments. Like if it moves you, subscribe for more untold shifts. What's next on this journey? Number 5. Oakland metro area. Here's a curveball that tugs at the heart. Oakland stands tall as its own metro world, wrapping in Fremont's buzz and Berkeley's bold ideas, distinct from Vallejo's nearby struggles in the San Francisco sprawl. Once, this gritty gem throbbed with black fire, the cradle of the Black Panthers, where fists rose high, rhythms shook streets, and factories fueled fierce dreams. Activism lit the nights, unity wove the days. Then tech's tidal wave crashed in, drowning the bay in gold rush cash. Longtime builders, the black families who carved Oakland's unbreakable spirit, now scramble for air. They're fleeing to Antioch's quiet edges, Stockton's wide-open chances, or beyond state lines altogether, hearts heavy with what-ifs. That raw soul, it lingers, defiant, whispering through murals and memories, but it's choked by fancy $6 lattes and rents that devour $3,000 a month. Ouch. The Oakland Metro? It bled 5.1% of its black roots from 2020 to 2024. Feels like a slow goodbye, doesn't it? What's your take? Echoes of home? Drop it below. Number 4. San Francisco. Ever catch yourself staring at a map, wondering where one dream ends and another begins? The census folks slice it sharp. San Francisco's metro hugs the city proper. Daly City, San Bruno, Pacifica, San Mateo, and Redwood City tight. Dip south to Palo Alto or Mountain View. That's San Jose territory now. Me? I've always lumped San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose into one wild woven beast of a region, but rules are rules. They draw the lines stricter. Once, this stretch buzzed with a proud black middle class, voices rising in harmony, futures within reach. Today, it's a velvet rope relic, patrolled by tech wizards and watchful gates where everyday magic feels locked away. Costs? They vanished like morning fog, leaving roots exposed and traditions teetering on whispers. So many souls have scattered to Sacramento's steady rhythm, distant dots nationwide, or Texas trails wide and welcoming. The ache? Real. From 2020 to 2024, San Francisco's metro let go of 5.2% of its black heartbeat. Feels like a chapter closing too soon, right? What's your slice of this story? Spill in the comments. Let's keep the fire alive. Number 3. New Orleans, Louisiana. Hurricane Katrina slammed New Orleans in 2005 like a monster wave, shaking lives to the core, and the ripples crash on today. Folks who watched their homes crumble in the flood. Too many never stepped foot back, Instead, they planted roots deep in Houston's hustle or Dallas's wide-open promise, chasing fresh starts far from the wreckage. Fast forward, and the Big Easy still stumbles. Sky-high insurance bills that bite like gators, streets shadowed by worry, and cozy homes vanishing under greedy prices. Yet, oh man, this city's got a sparkle that hooks you tight. Picture plates piled with gumbo that sings to your soul, brass bands turning corners into festivals, laughter spilling from every porch like sweet rain. New Orleans? It's a non-stop thrill ride, a hug from the universe on a sultry night. But here's the raw truth that twists the knife. Magic meals and midnight dances won't quiet the landlord's knock. When the rent stacks up like storm clouds, dreams drown quick. From 2020 to 2024, the Crescent City said goodbye to 5.2% of its black heartbeat. Echoes of loss, or a spark for comeback? Your thoughts? Number 2, Youngstown, Ohio. Nestled in Ohio's rusting heart, Youngstown, Warren calls to mind faded glories. Back during the Great Migration, it shone like a lighthouse for black families, luring them with steel mill whistles and the sweet ring of homeownership from those hard-earned checks. The east side bloomed alive, streets humming, churches packed with song, roots digging deep into steady ground that promised tomorrow. Then, Black Monday in 1977 hit like a thunderclap. Mills slammed shut, shattering the spark. Steel dust settled, but the glow never reignited, leaving echoes of what could have been. Fast forward to 2020 to 2024, and the quiet drain pulls harder. This metro duo shed a hefty slice of its black spirit. Why? Jobs flicker like dying bulbs, schools limp along, and once vibrant blocks now stare back with hollow windows, ghosts of laughter long gone. For the young and bold, hanging on spells a slow fade, stepping out whispers fresh fire. This flight, no white flag. It's the same fierce grit that hauled ancestors north, now steering them south to Atlanta's beat, Charlotte's warmth, Houston's wide promise, spots where betting on hope pays off. Youngstown whispers a tough truth. When the grind vanishes, the hands that forged it chase the next horizon. Down 6.5% in black residents. Does this tug at your tail? Share below. And number 1, Lake Charles, Louisiana. Deep in Louisiana's Gulf embrace, Lake Charles wears the scars of the fiercest blows. Ferocious hurricanes, fiery refinery blasts, and the lingering ache of COVID's chaos have pummeled this resilient port like a relentless foe. At its core beats a unbreakable black bond, families forged from the sweat of workers who hammered the South's steel spine, their legacy woven into every dock and dream. But even iron wills crack under endless fury and skimpy rescue hands. Thriving kin scatter north to Baton Rouge's steady hum, or Houston's bold skyline, drawn by solid ground and lights that stay lit through the night. Mother Nature's rage? It's the true thief here. Decade after savage decade, they patch up from one whirlwind's wrath, only for floods or another storm to roar back, swallowing hope's whole. Jobs? Scarce? Poverty? Stubborn? Yet the skies unleash the deepest wounds. From 2020 to 2024, Lake Charles bled 9.1% of its black spirit, a quiet cry that echoes far. Whew, that's our dive today. Did it stir your soul? Grab the wisdom, spread some kindness, and chase a brighter tomorrow. What's your storm story? Tell me below.